Morning guys, September 8th, 2022. Here I got a call for AC icing up. And I told the lady yesterday to shut the unit off and I'd go by there today. I usually like to give it 24 hours for it to, especially if it's really iced up bad, to let it defrost so when I go there I can run it. Probably low on gas. Could be a fan issue or dirty filter, but most likely it's low on Freon or refrigerant. We're gonna go by there. The husband's supposed to be there. He's been calling me all flipping morning here. Anyway, we're gonna go by there, see if we can figure out what's going on with it. If we get it up and going for the guy. Getting on the end of the season, starting to get calls for doing, you know, burner service now, so it's starting to cool off a little bit. I think today, the high of today is only going to be like 72, so it's not really getting, it's the end of the season here. Before you know it, be all heat and stuff. Oh, it's been a long grind here for the summer. I'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Fan capacitor's weak. I'm going to change that first. Alright guys, I've got a bad board here. I got power coming down the drain from the thermostat for the fan, but the fan's not running. And I did check it. So we got power coming into the fan, but we got nothing going to the motor. Nothing there on the red, nothing there on the blue, nothing there on the black. So we got a bad board there. I'm going to change that board out. Change out that board. I'll shut the power off. I got another board here. I'm going to change this board out. I got the power off. Best thing to do is disconnect it, get it out of the way. Big pen. That's the best. Put the big pen in there and pop these. 1. 2. I think that there's 5 on this thing, if I remember right. There's 1 on the right behind, I think. There it is. See a burnt spot right there, see it? It's a problem. We're gonna get the new board in there and switch it over. Alright, so I got them 4 off like I did the other one. I'm gonna put this new board in place. Again. Alright, I'll do 1 wire at a time here. Mauve 1. This one here is Mauve 1. This is that one. Neutral. For the board. here, this red one here is what? Red one here is on the end of the red, which is the P19. This is P19, the end of the red. That should take care of it. You can see this board was smoked. We turn the power on, that fan should kick in. Okay, Houston, we have ignition. Alright, let me get this cover back on. We'll be good to go. Off, we're going to get all this spaghetti back together here. Oh, we got a fan. That's probably why it iced up on her, you know. Never a dull moment, Mama. Never a dull moment. You need airflow, and you need a condenser. Without the fan or airflow, it's going to ice. Rocket science. Rocket science, Mama. What a bitch. Not easy being cheesy, Mo. Not easy being cheesy. Oh, we got a fan. We could check the rest of it. He said something about the outside units is full of pine needles. Needs to have it cleaned or something. Well, we got a fan now. Subcooling's about 13, which is perfect, and it's regulating the superheat for the TXV. 128 on the suction. That's good. Oh yeah, there's a lot of pine cones in there, pine needles, huh? Yeah. Alright, so our charge is fine. That's good news. Yeah, we got all the pine cones cleaned out of there. She's up and running. And every so often that little white line will dump water out. That's the condensation from the pump. 2000. So it's already 12 years old. No leaks. That's good.